In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what to do after receiving your results, how to decide between a recheck, a remark, or a retake, so you can move fast and avoid common mistakes and choose the smartest path for you. Before we get any further, I would like to thank all of my students who reached out to me today with their excellent results. You truly brightened my day. And in case you did not achieve the grade that you were hoping for, remember, these results are just a small part of your story, by no means the title. Here's how to move forward and improve your grade. Step 1. Choose your route. Consider a recheck if something seems off, totals don't add up, or a page might be missing. Although this is rare, but it has occurred several times before. A recheck does not involve any marking of your answers. It is a statement that confirms that every page was marked, the marks were added correctly, and the correct total was recorded. The second route is remark. If you are near the next boundary or genuinely believe that the marking was harsh, you can request a review. A senior examiner will remark your entire script using the mark scheme. Your mark may increase, decrease, or remain the same. If your mark or grade changes because of an error, the fee is refunded. If you have tight university timelines, request a priority review, which usually must be submitted within 1 week of your results day. Before requesting a remark, download your exam script and check for missed pages, misapplied mark schemes, or unexpectedly low marks on strong answers. This is particularly useful for long biology questions and for organic mechanisms in chemistry. If it appears undermarked, proceed with the review. If it seems fair, then save your money. The final option is to retake the exam. If you were well below the boundary and your script appears to have been fairly marked, consider planning a retake. If your grade was B or C, aim for the nearest exam session. If it was lower, allow yourself more time. A well-prepared retake can significantly lift your overall UMS and your final grade. What I want you to consider before you retake is to think beyond the individual unit marks, because you can actually still achieve an A if one unit's mark is low and the total of the other units adds up to an A or an A star in the case of taking an entire A level. In other words, judge the outcome by the combined UMS, not the individual unit's grade. Finally, try to focus on the positive aspects of this experience. It has highlighted your weaknesses in specific topics and question types. You can now work to improve these areas and hopefully achieve better results. That's it for today. Feel free to ask questions.